Hello, and welcome to the channel. Do you have some beautiful hot peppers? Well, this is a tasty and unique use for them. You will not likely find this type of salsa in stores. People will love it, so send them here for the recipe. Today we're making Peach Mango Habanero Salsa. This recipe is part of a series where we make hot pepper creations that are suited for canning. To be suited for canning, they need a pH below 4.6, they say. I like around 4.0 or less. If you grow a few plants, you can end up with a bunch of peppers. This series lets you use them fresh and can your preparations for year-round use. It's not just about making chili hot sauces and powders. You can have a pantry of unique and delicious creations to enjoy and share. Let's get cooking. Oh yeah. So here's the ingredients. 10 cups of chopped peaches. 2 cups of chopped mango. I'm using frozen, makes life much easier. 2 1/4 cups cider vinegar. 6 cups of chopped tomatoes. 2 1/2 cups diced onion, red onion. 2 cups chopped bell pepper, keeping it with the theme with bright colors. Same with the habanero. 4 habanero diced. I've got orange habanero. 2 tablespoons of minced cilantro. 4 tablespoons of pickling spice in a bouquet garni. 1 tablespoon of canning salt. 3 3/4 cups light brown sugar. And this makes 4 1/2 liters of sauce. So depending on how much you want to can, have the jars necessary. So there's a little bit of prep work with this. Going to dice up the red onion. And we'll set that aside. And when working with peppers, great idea to use gloves. So we're going to stem, halve them, and remove the membranes. Then you go about slicing and mincing the peppers. Once that's done, set them aside. On to the tomatoes. So with the tomatoes, we want to, dice or chunk them up to a nice consistency for a salsa. So there we go. Now, before we get going, it's a fast recipe, so the jars have been scrubbed and cleaned. Now they're going down into the boiling water of the water bath canner for a 20-minute boil. And we'll get the salsa going into the pot with 6 cups of diced tomato. 2 cups of mango, and 10 cups of diced peaches. Using the frozen veg really saves a lot of time in blanching and peeling and etc. You just have to dice them up. So 3 3/4 cups of brown sugar. And our 4 habanero minced. So we have 2 cups of our colorful bell peppers. Two and a quarter cups apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of minced cilantro. Now we have 3 tablespoons pickling spice in a bouquet garni, which is to take a cheesecloth or coffee filter and basically tie the spice up into a bag. We'll mix everything well, get the bouquet garni in there and get it submerged. Now we'll mix in our 2.5 cups diced red onion, and mix that in as well. We'll bring everything to a boil and then reduce the heat and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Now while that's going on, we've been boiling our jars in the water bath canner after they've been thoroughly scrubbed and cleaned. Now what you want to do is remove the bouquet garni, get your jars out of the water bath canner. Now they're nice and hot. The salsa's nice and hot. We'll jar this up, and when they go back into the water bath canner, they won't have a thermal shock and break the jars. So you get your utensils into the water bath canner for a quick boil and start jarring. When filling your jars, use a funnel, be careful, and get it up to the bottom of the ring band threads. This will leave about 3/4 of an inch head space, which will ensure a proper seal. Once you have your jars all filled up, get a peek at the rims, make sure that you haven't gotten any sauce on the rims, and if so, clean it off with a clean paper towel to ensure a good seal. So we take our lids and our ring bands, give them a quick boil. This softens the gum on the ring bands. Get the lids and rings in place. And you can give them a slight spin here to get them in place. However, the jars are very hot, so you're going to want to take a tea towel or an oven mitt and give them a nice tight snug to seal them up. With the jars all sealed up, back into the water bath canner they go for a 20-minute water bath boil. Just like that, out they come. This makes a really decent batch of salsa, and it's a very unique salsa. Got the heat, it's very sweet, and something you just don't find, just anywhere. So if you like this video, if you like this recipe, give us a like, follow up on more hot pepper creations, subscribe. Here, let's give this a little taste. It's absolutely delicious. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.